Hey guys, so here at CodeWords we have just launched a new feature, WhatsApp automation. And what this allows you to do is first consume existing CodeWords workflows through your WhatsApp by triggering it, by sending a message to your WhatsApp. And secondly, it allows you to build workflow automations within WhatsApp. Automations that interact within group chats. They can send messages, set up polls, send image data. They can run sentiment analysis on message data. And so today I want to demo a very interesting use case. So what I'm going to do is come into CodeWords and I'm going to prompt Cody with a description of my workflow. So creates me a WhatsApp automation that when triggered with get schedule pulls my Google Calendar event and returns it to my WhatsApp. Here I'm going to click run, and what CodeWords is going to do here is it's going to build and deploy this workflow. Now what I'm going to do is take you through an example of one that I've built before. So you go through this conversation with Cody. Cody clarifies all the edge cases and then eventually builds and deploys. And so here is a graph representing this workflow. So a message received with the trigger. It receives it through a webhook, processes that event, connects to your Google Calendar, gets today's events, formats it, and then sends it back into the group chat. Now here I'm going to click run to register my number. So I'm going to click run here, and it's going to take a few moments to register. So we can see it's successfully registered, and in the instructions it's telling us to go into the group chat, add the bot, mention CodeWords, and wait for a confirmation message to tell us that it's successfully linked. And then we can test by triggering the workflow. So I'm going to go into WhatsApp and I'm going to add CodeWords bot, and this should take a few moments. So now you can see the workflow has successfully linked, and now I'm going to trigger the workflow with the trigger message, get schedule. Here you go. Another thing we can do is we can go into CodeWords, into triggers, and we can check if this trigger has been set. So as you can see, WhatsApp calendar bot, the trigger is active and has been set. So I'm going to go back into my WhatsApp and I'm going to wait for a response. Amazing. So the workflow has executed and it has sent me a message. So my schedule for today, and it goes through the meetings that have been booked into my calendar.